Hello everybody again in this lesson 2 in learning statistics using Minitab. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. In this lesson we want to talk about the file menu. File menu contains many commands like new, open, save project as, save project, save session window or worksheet, query database, prints and scribe, exit, recent files. The first thing we want to talk about, which is the new. If you want to open a new project or a new worksheet, you can click on new, then project, like this. So it is now a new project in Minitab. Another thing, if you want to open a new worksheet, this is the worksheet number 1. This is the worksheet number. If you want to open another worksheet or third or fourth, you can open many worksheets and working in the same time. So you can click in File, New, Worksheet. So we have the second worksheet here, and it is with title Worksheet 2. You can also open 3 worksheet or 4th or as you like. If you want to close this one, you can click in X, the window, and the other thing, and we have this one in worksheet. If you click using mouse and click on the right button in mouse like this, you can see this menu. This menu is you can use it to open a new worksheet. And if you click here, you can open an existing worksheet, save current worksheet, save current worksheet as, and print and close, rename worksheet description. This is the shortcut you can use to rename or to save the worksheets. Now, if you have any project, an older project or an old worksheet, you want to open it. So you can click here, open. This is the place that you found your project or old project. My project in the desktop. So I can click here. You see 2 icons. The first one is for worksheets like this, and the other for project. If you see here, you see that Minitab project, and this is Minitab worksheet. And if you click here, you want just project, not worksheet, you can click here, so you can see only the projects. And the other, if you want to see only worksheet, you can click here, so you have worksheet and project. If you want to see all product of Minitab, you can click here. These 3 files, the Excel one and the worksheet file and the project, you can three of them open in worksheets. Now you can click in room prices. This is one of the projects of my projects. You can click here and click open, save, no. Okay, this is the project which is called room prices project. This project has 6 columns, as you see here, and about 15 rows or records. And this project, we have 5 of these 6 columns have 6 of numbers. This is numbers, and the 7th one is for text. So C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, it is for numbers, and the last one is for text. And I can know that from the letter T, which is the shortcut of text. And the text columns, you can see that the text aligned to the left, and in the number columns, you can see the numbers goes to the right of the cells. Okay. Another thing, we can open a worksheet. We can open not a project. We can open a worksheet like this. Worksheets. So we have this one. Worksheet. Open, and we can see here the Minitab open another worksheet which is named room price W. By this you can open an old project or an old worksheet. If you want to save this project, if you make an editing of this project, like editing a new column like this, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you can rename this column or this variable by clicking here and put a title for this column like X. So we have now 7 columns in this worksheet. We can click here, File, and save a project as. Save project as another copy of our project. Like this we can rename it by adding something like 1 and save it. Okay, you can save a worksheet. This a worksheet, you can save it, and if you click here in the session window, you can see that the save session window. If you click session, you will see save session. If you click in window and worksheet window, you can see a save worksheet. So it depends on your clicking on session or worksheet. Now if I want to save this worksheet, I can click here and rename it by room price number 1. This is the new worksheet. The first one, which is room price W, and the second one is room price 1. So I have 2 copies of worksheet. Now if you click here, you can see that query database. You can export data from Access, from Excel, from Oracle by clicking here. If I want to import data from Excel sheet, I have 2 ways from that. The first one by using open from desktop. I want to import an Excel sheet from here. I click an Excel sheet, so I have this one. Click in meals. This is Excel sheet. Open. Now Minitab open this dialog box that says that the first row is from beginning from 1 and the last one is 16. If you want to import just 10 columns from 1 to 10, you can use this. If you want to import just 1 column, you don't want to import the P column here, you can click here and just importing the first one, which is named meal. If I click here OK, the Minitab will embedded this new column here in the same worksheet. Okay, in the second worksheet here. Okay, now in this way I imported data from Excel sheet. I can close it now, and the second way, you can click here, query database. From this dialog window, you can click in machine and database and click in Excel sheet. Okay, and you can choose from any location in your PC. You want to open this one, meal, like this one, meal. Okay. In this file meal, you have just one sheet named meals, and you have 2 variables in this sheet. the first one focus and the second is meal. If you want to import both of two columns from the Excel sheet to the Minitab, you can just click here. If you want to import one of them, you can click here like this. And if you don't want any one of them, you can get it in the left window. If you want to include both of those two columns, you can click here. Then click OK. So you have those columns C8, C9 from the Excel sheet. Now, if you want to bring to print worksheet, if you are now in the worksheet, you'll see print worksheet. If you are in session window, you can see print session window. So if you click print worksheet, you can click here, and if you want to title it or not, you can write it here. If you don't want to write anything, the title of this worksheet, you can just click on OK and print this worksheet. I don't have a printer here in this PC, so I will click cancel. The second thing, you can click in print setup to choose if you want to print in portrait form or in landscape, and choose the kind or type of paper. If you want A4 or your A3, if you want to choose A3 to print the output. Click cancel. Now description, you can write a description for your project, like a metadata, or you can write a description for worksheet. If I use worksheet, I can write something like a metadata for my worksheet. Creator, like my name, I can write my name here, and the date. I can print 2020, and I can write a description for this worksheet. I can type here this worksheet is for learning, just like this, and I can click OK. So you will see here this red note, and view what I print before about this worksheet. Another thing too, if you click exit, you can exit from this Minitab, and recent files has a list of your worksheet that you worked before in this Minitab. Until now, we can stop here, and we will see you in lesson 3 or part 3 in this series of learning Minitab 18. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.